All right, so here are the sea anemone parts. This is the mouth, this opening coming on the inside here. These are the tentacles all around the outside here. The ostium, these are holes right on the inside of the mouth. Coming through, you can see them there. They're easy to see here, right there. The oral disc is just not the opening, but the structure that makes up the mouth on the outside there. See that? And then you have the pharynx, and that's this long column all the way down. If you can see on the inside, that's the pharynx. It goes all the way down. And then you have your gastrovascular cavity, and that's this opening here. You can see it's kind of a hollow space in there, and all this orange stuff is gonads that fills that space. And then you have the pedal disc here on the bottom, and on the outside you have the retractor muscles, which are smooth muscle up and down here. You see that?